What's up YouTube? Jason Scar here. It's another day. I just woke up and my hair is all messy, but I decided to get out of bed and do something to my car today. It's 2 o'clock and I just woke up, so whatever. Gonna be doing a transmission flush. I'm gonna be using Mobil 1 75W90. I bought about 2 quarts, but I already used like a quarter of the other quart because I was doing my diff, so hopefully it's enough. I haven't checked into the actual capacity of the transmission, so I mean, worst comes to worst, if it's not enough, then I'll just go to AutoZone, pick up some more. Yeah, let's get to it. Since I'm working on my driveway today, make sure you put something under the car so it doesn't roll. I am on a slant, so shouldn't be doing that in the first place. I mean, you want to be working on level ground, but some people don't have that luxury, so just be safe. For the transmission, there is a fill port and a drain port, or drain plug and fill plug. But anyways, the drain is right here in the transmission, and the fill is right up here on the passenger side. Make sure that you take out the fill port first, because your drain plug might be stuck. So in order to avoid that, make sure you can actually fill the transmission before you drain it. Shit, I can't break it loose. Leverage, because I don't have a breaker bar. Oh shit. That's awesome. God damn it. Now there's a shitload of oil here. Ugh. Alright, this should be a lot. Hopefully it doesn't splatter on the camera. Alright, here we go. Don't be like me, guys. Use a torque wrench. It's tight enough. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fill this thing. I have this this tubing, it's vinyl tubing. It is 3/8 inch inner diameter, 1/2 inch OD, and I'm just gonna stick that through the engine bay and into the fill port, and then from there, you can go ahead and fill it. Let me show you how I'm gonna do this. So, it should fit. Yep, fits right over. Just gonna do that, make sure it's tight, and then squeeze it in there. Now, if you just drove the car, I wouldn't recommend doing this because it is just plastic or vinyl tubing, so it will melt. But since I didn't drive the car, which I probably should, you should probably do it from under the car rather than through the engine bay. But whatever. So I got it. I actually fed it from the bottom of the car to the top with the help of my brother. The reason I did this way was because I don't want to go from under the car, only because I had to travel back up to the fill port and I'm gonna end up with like a little bit excess fluid. I mean, it's not really a big deal, but I'm just penny pinching at this point and trying to save as much fluid as I can, I guess. So I probably should have mentioned this before, but the car should be on level ground. As you can see, the car is definitely not on level ground, but since I'm not on a level driveway, I'm basically going to jack the car up, lower it down, try to get as level as possible, and then fill from there. The reason you want to have it level when you fill is so that you get the correct amount of fluid in there, because when you're filling it, you fill it until it overflows. You can see the problem, I guess. But I'm just going to lower the car, try to make it as level as possible, and then I'll go from there. Yeah, I guess you could say that's level. It's level enough. Yeah, just fill, I guess. Alright, so I don't even know if you can see it, but it is starting to drip. That means that it is actually done. I can go ahead and stop filling and we should go from there. So in total, I used about 1.2 quarts, which is, I think that's what it was. But yeah, should be all done. So I am completely stupid. Well, how the hell am I gonna get the fill plug back on? What a stupid mistake. Luckily I was able to fit under the car. I just jacked it up a little bit and I slid in there and I put the bolt on enough to where I could jack the car up and then tighten it from there. Don't be stupid like me and risk getting yourself killed over finishing a job. Jack it up on all four corners and working it that way so you don't end up like me. I got the fill port on, or I got the fill bolt on, and I got the drain bolt on, so everything should be good. Last thing I need to do is a test drive. That should be good. And that should be all for this video. I will see you guys next time. Peace.